Dear student, in this video we will learn the problem of simple interest of worksheet 4 from question number 2 to 5. Problem related to simple interest of worksheet 4 from question number 2. In question number 2, here questions is find the amount from the investment of rupees 4500 for 2 year at 5 paise per rupee 5 paise per rupee interest. Here solution. You have to find amount. For getting amount, first you have to find the simple interest. Here given that principal is equal to rupees 4500 time is equal to 2 year and rate of interest 5 paise per rupee 5 paise per rupee. Here R is given 5 paise per rupee. So first you have to convert R into the percent. So we write R is equal to 5 paise per rupees means 5 by 100. It means 5 by 100 into 100%. When we have to convert fraction into percent, then we multiply by 100. After cancellation you get 5%. So here rate of interest is 5%. In this question rate of interest given in the form of 5 paise per rupees. Then first you have to convert 5 paise per rupees into the fraction and we will get 5 by 100. After then you have to convert into the percent by multiplying by 100%. After calculating we get 5%. Now for getting amount, first you have to find the simple interest. So first you find SI, that is simple interest, by using the formula P into R into T by 100. So here P is 4500, R is 5% and time is 2 year by 100. Here 100 cancel with 4500 in 45 times. So after calculating we get 5 to the 10 or 10 into 45, that is 450. So SI is rupees 450. Now you have to find amount. So amount is equal to P plus SI. Here principal is rupees 4500 and SI is rupees 450. After adding you get 4950. This is the amount. Here question number 3 is Ramesh took a loan of rupees 80,000 from a bank at 12% per annum and paid it back after 7 months. Together with interest. Find the amount he paid to the bank. Here question is Ramesh took a loan for rupees 80,000 from a bank at of 12% per annum and paid it back after 7 months. Together with interest, you have to find amount he paid to the bank. How many amount he paid to the bank? For it, first you have to find simple interest, then you have to find amount. Solution. Here principal is rupees 80,000. Our rate of interest is 12% and time is 7 months. Here time is given in month, so first you have to convert into the year dividing it by 12. So we write 7 by 12 year. Now you have to find simple interest. We using the formula P into R into T by 100. Here P is 80,000, R is 12%, time is 7 by 12. So we write 12 in the denominator into 100. Here 0 0 cancel with 0 0, 12 cancel with 12. After solving we get 8 7 ja 5600. So SI is equal to rupees 5600. You have to find amount. So amount is equal to P plus SI. Here principal is rupees 80,000 and SI is rupees 5,600. After adding you get 85,600. So amount is rupees 85,600. It means Ramesh paid rupees 85,600 to the bank. Now in question number 4, here question is Rahul deposit rupees 7,000 at 7% per annum for 4.5 years, and Rohan deposited rupees 7,000 at 6% per annum for 5 years. Who will get more interest? What amount will each get? Here question is Rahul deposited rupees 7,000 at 7% per annum for 4.5 years, and Rohan deposited rupees 7,000 at 6% per annum for 5 years. Who will get more interest? What amount will each get? For it, first you have to find simple interest for both Rahul and Rohan. After then we find amount. For Rahul, principal is equal to rupees 7,000, R is equal to 7%, and T is equal to 4.5 years. And for Rohan, principal is equal to rupees 7,000, R is equal to 6%, and time is equal to 5 years. Simple interest for Rahul by using the formula P into R into T by 100. Here time is 4 whole 1 by 2. So we write T is equal to 9 by 2 years. Here time is given in mixed number. So convert into the improper fraction. Here P is rupees 7,000, R is 7%, and time is 9 by 2 years. So we write 2 in denominator. After calculating we get 0 cancel with 2 zeros and 2 cancel with 70 35 times. Then you get 35 into 7 into 9. So SI is equal to 35 into 7 into 9. It means 63 into 35, that is 1205. Now amount for Rahul is equal to P plus SI it means rupees 7,000 plus rupees 1,205. After adding we get rupees 8,205. Now we calculate simple interest for Rohan. Here SI is equal to P into R into T by 100. Here principal is rupees 7,000, R is 6%, time is 5 year. Cancel 100 with 7,000 by 70 times. Now multiply SI is equal to 70 into 6 into 5. After multiplying we get 5 into 6 30, 30 into 70, that is 2100. That is 2100. There is some mistakes in calculation. In case of Rahul, here simple interest is 2,205. So we write 9,205. Amount is 9,205. Is it clear? Now for Rohan, simple interest is rupees 2100 and amount is equal to P plus SI. P is 7,000 and 2100. So amount is equal to 9,100. So here we see the Rahul get SI rupees 2,205 and Rohan get simple interest rupees 2,100. So Rahul get more interest. So Rahul get more interest. Rahul get more interest. Now in question number 5, here question number 5, Ramit deposited rupees 80,000 in a bank which pay him 6% interest after 3 years. He withdraw the money and buy a car for rupees 90,000. How much money is left with him? Here question is Ramit deposited rupees 80,000 in a bank which pays him 6% interest. After 3 years he withdraw the money and buy a car for rupees 90,000. How much money is left with him? You have to find how much money left with him after buy a car of rupees 90,000. Solution. Here principal is rupees 80,000. Rate of interest 6%. Time is 3 years. First you find the simple interest, then you find amount. पहले हम लोग क्या निकालेंगे? सिंपल इंटरेस्ट निकालेंगे और फिर हम लोग अमाउंट निकालेंगे. इससे क्या पता चलेगा कि 3 ईयर के बाद बैंक जो है रमीत को कितना पैसा विथ इंटरेस्ट दिया है, मतलब अमाउंट मिलेगा. तो देखो SI इक्वल टू क्या होता है? P इंटू R इंटू T, दैट इज 80,000 इंटू 6 इंटू 3 बाई 100. We get cancel 2 zeros, then we get 800 into 6 into 3. It means multiplying 800 into 6 into 8, that is 144,000 होगा, यानी 14,400. SI is equal to 14,400. Now amount. is equal to P plus SI. Here P is rupees 80,000 plus rupees 14,400. It means rupees 90,000, 94,400. It means bank pay rupees 94,400 to Ramit. Now the cost price of cost price of car is equal to rupees 90,000. So money left with him. So money left with him is equal to रुपीज़ 94,000. क्या करेंगे, अमाउंट माइनस 90,000 करेंगे. बैंक से रमित को कितना पैसा मिला है, रुपीज़ 94,400. और कार कितने का वो खरीदा है, रुपीज़ 90,000 का. तो सो मनी लेफ्ट विथ हिम इज इक्वल टू अमाउंट माइनस रुपीज़ 90,000, दैट इज 94,400 माइनस 90,000, दैट इज रुपीज़ 4,400. This is the answer. So money left with Ramit is equal to rupees 4,400. Thank you.